Master Builders are the major building and construction industry association in this state. Now their services include everything for the building industry. But did you know they currently have their eyes firmly planted on waste reduction? In fact, because Perth now has so many more recycling options for builders, it's prompted the Master Builders to release a Smart Waste Guide. Now this has been supported by the Waste Authority and it's been led by an environmentally aware consumer who is requesting a builder who shares his focus. Materials like bricks, tiles, plastics, metals, soil and concrete, they're all recyclable, just to name a few. Recycling seems to be very much a concern of, I guess, the modern home builder. What's in this guide, Kimberly?
So the guide has heaps of information that will help builders reduce the amount of waste going to landfill. It has waste management plan templates and it also has a directory of recyclers in Perth of where they can send their waste materials.
Where can we see this guide?
It's available both online on mbawa.com and then also in a hard copy version. We're also in the process of developing an app for it as well.
Well, I guess, you know, with the industry improving their recycling and their waste management by 33% over the last 3 years, it's the next spoke in the wheel, isn't it? Really?
Yeah, definitely.
Earlier in the show, I discovered that Master Builders has a very keen eye on the waste reduction practices of the building and construction industry. So much so, they are providing their members with a Smart Waste Guide. However, to take things one step further, they've contracted a waste reduction consultant. Now, this is a man who's helping members reduce the waste being sent to landfill. Now, I'll be honest, I have no background on this fine gentleman, so perhaps the best thing to do is jump right in with the hard-hitting questions. Mike, it's great to meet you. It must be such a great role. I mean, how are you helping builders reduce their waste?
Well, we have a collaborative approach where we involve the tradesman, the supervisor, the estimator and the builder. And we have, in part of the program is site visits, so we get out there on site and we identify areas where they can, builders can avoid, reduce, reuse and recycle. So through education, promotion and encouragement, we help them with things like waste management plans, those sort of practices, so we minimise their waste that way.
Okay, throughout the show, I've been talking to some of the wonderful team at Master Builders about their Smart Waste Guide and their focus on the recycling practices of the building and construction industry. As we near the end of the program, I thought what better time than to have a quick chat with the winner of the Master Builders Excellence in Recycling Award, an award sponsored by the Waste Authority. Hey Pete, congratulations so much on the award. What does this mean to win such a great thing?
This is great recognition for us at Homebuyers. It's a part of our recycling and our waste management that we can put into place and see fruition.
Oh, I can see it's a way of the future. I mean, there's not one skip, there's now three. I mean, where would this waste, otherwise waste, go in the past?
Landfill.
Landfill?
Landfill. Everything in landfill. So to see that we're able to recycle the products and reuse some of the products on other projects is tremendous.
You can keep the costs down, pass it on to consumer.
Everyone wins.
My feelings are that in the not too distant future there'll be an even greater attention to the recycling habits of this industry. I mean, after all, this focus on the environment is led by you, the consumer. And this is a consumer who, more than ever, is requesting a builder who does the best they can to reprocess unused materials.